how to sign up for the HostGator affiliate program for non-US. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the HostGator affiliate program. And the best part is it's open to non-US residents too. Whether you're a blogger, digital marketer, or anyone with an online presence, this could be your ticket to affiliate success. So let's get started. First, let's quickly explain what the HostGator affiliate program is all about. It's a partnership with HostGator, one of the most popular web hosting companies globally. By becoming a HostGator affiliate, you can earn commission by promoting their web hosting service and helping others get their website online. The benefits of the HostGator affiliate programs are you can earn substantial commission for each sales or referral, promote reliable web hosting service with a strong reputation, access to promotional banners, text links, and other marketing resources, monitor your referrals and earning in real time, a dedicated affiliate support team to assist you along the way. Now let's get started on signing up for the HostGator affiliate program if you're not in the US. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to click on join now. Excellent. Once you're on the registration page, it's time to complete your affiliate application. Begin by providing your personal information such as your name, email address, and country. Remember, this program is open to non-US residents. Next, share insight about your promotional strategies. HostGator is interested in understanding how you plan to promote their service. After completing the application form, you will need to agree to the HostGator affiliate program terms and conditions. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions carefully, and once you are comfortable, check the box to confirm your agreement. Finally, click the sign up button and send your application. Congratulations, you have successfully applied to become a HostGator affiliate, even as a non-US resident. Now all that's left to do is wait for approval. The HostGator team will review your application, and once approved, you will receive an email notification. This process typically takes a few business days. Once your application is approved, you will gain access to your affiliate dashboard where you can find your unique affiliate links, promotional materials, and track your earnings. Now it's time to start promoting HostGator. You can do this through your website, blog, social media, or any other platform where you can connect with potential customers looking for reliable web hosting. And there you have it. That's how you sign up for HostGator affiliate program, even if you're not in the US. It's an incredible way to earn commission while helping others get their websites online. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.